Hello guys, welcome to Generation Unravel, and in this video I'll be showing you a simple tutorial on how to lock your WhatsApp account. Okay, first let's get into our WhatsApp. Waiting. And here we see our WhatsApp homepage and the messages that we have. Now what we need to do is head over to this part over here, the top right corner of your screen, click on it and head over to settings. Then moving on, we head over to privacy and we scroll down until we find this one over here that says fingerprint lock. So let's enable that by clicking on it and using our fingerprint. Alright, so what this does is when enabled, it needs our fingerprint to unlock WhatsApp, meaning no one can unlock your WhatsApp without your fingerprint. And that is very beneficial when it comes to maintaining our privacy or anyone else that needs it. So if you look down here, there are some other options that says automatically lock immediately. That means immediately after you close the app, it immediately locks, or you could choose after 1 minute, and only after 1 minute does it lock, or 30 minutes if you prefer so. Well, now that's up to you. But that is how you lock your WhatsApp app to make sure that you are safe and all the messages that you have are kept in secrecy. No one else gets to access it but you. Alright, thanks for watching. This is Generation Unravel, giving you answers to your questions, and I hope this video helped you well. Like, comment, share, and subscribe. Like, comment, and subscribe if you like this video, and tell us what you want to see next time. That is all for now. Thank you. Bye-bye.